Hi, I'm Katie from What Katie Did, and welcome to another week in the bunker. The big news this week is Friday is the 75th anniversary of VE Day, which was victory in Europe when World War II ended in Europe. And there are a lot of celebrations going on in not virtual reality, but you know what I mean. There's lots of virtual events going on around England and around other European countries. So if you are at home, then give it a Google. Even the little village where I live, me and my family live, they're having a virtual tea party. So everyone has a 1940s tea party in their front garden. So we hope to film a bit about that and to show you what goes on there. Also, if you're in the UK, then I heard on the radio today that the website ancestry.co.uk is doing a free subscription this week, and that will allow you to trace your family tree and find out what your family members did during World War II. So if you have kids at home or you're just inquisitive yourself, now's the ideal time to sign up and see what you can find out. If you're involved in a 1940s virtual event, then don't forget we've got lots of stockings in stock. If you want to go for our glamour seams, our coffee seams are probably the most authentic because they give some colour to your leg, and that's, in the 40s stockings were thicker and they would have been visible on your leg. It's definitely not a day to have a colourful seam, so stick with the coffee or possibly the latte, or of course if you've got a darker skin tone you can go for the nutmeg with coffee, but don't go for a green seam on this day because it's not really authentic. Plus, of course, we've got our fully fashioned, and again we've got our copper and our chocolate, which will look amazing for VE Day. The other news this week, to put a slight damper on things, is that our Indian factory hasn't reopened. India is taking COVID-19 extremely seriously, as all countries should, and where we make the big cities, it is a hotspot, so that is currently closed for another 2 weeks. We hope to be open then, but really we're playing it by ear, and we really want everyone to be safe. And our factory owner says he's not going to open until he's sure that everyone's going to be safe working. So at the moment we're really taking it day by day. If you take a look on our website, you'll see that we are getting low on stock of a few items, and I'll put up a screenshot here with a rather alarming due date of August. Now, August is the worst case scenario, and we are looking at getting stock far quicker than that. But just in case things don't improve, then that is kind of our safe date. If we do open in 2 weeks' time, then we're looking at getting stock around mid to late June. It might be slightly sooner, and obviously if we have to stay closed after that, then it'll be slightly longer, but I'll keep you updated. So this week I'll be focusing on the 40s, and later this week I'll be doing a video about our 1940s map set, which is inspired by escape maps from the 1940s. Also behind the scenes, my husband Richard is still hard at work on his photography videos, and he's roped in our 15-year-old daughter Poppy, who's taking over the editing. So this is going to kind of be some kind of epic series that they're working on together, all in top secret. So I don't know very much about it, but I know they're making great progress. So keep an eye out for that as well. I'll catch up with you later in the week. So in the meantime, please take care and stay safe.